Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Maps for public transport. So this method is perfect for navigating buses, trains or metros like a pro. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Google Map application, and over here in the search bar, you will have to simply search for your destination. So let's say I want to go here, so you will have to select your destination first. Then tap on the directions option, and over here you will have to simply choose your location on the map, or you can even just select your location. So for that you will have to turn on your location option, and then it will show you a bunch of different options here, like it will show you drive, bike, train, and it will also show you the respective time you need to take in order to reach to your destination. So you will see multiple transit options here. You can just tap on these tabs and you can see. So you need to choose your preferable route, and then once you are done with it, you need to tap on the start option to begin the live navigation. So map will even show your arrival times, your delays, and which bus or train to take. So you can select the train or buses option over here, so you can select the one as per your need. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more smart travel tips. Thanks for watching.